Well, when I was a little kid, I think I was just a typical little kid like every other little kid. Loved exploring, loved learning, and I loved science. I had great teachers. My parents really helped out too and kept my brothers and me interested in things and exploring. And so, and I loved my teachers, so I knew I wanted to be a teacher when I grew up, and I knew I wanted to do something in the service to others. Well, at the age I'm at, by the time I got to high school, the only thing I realized that girls could do was be a teacher or a nurse. And that really bothered me, so I really fought it. And in college went on to study science. I studied biology. And one of my very favorite classes was about the structure and function of the brain. And at the same time, I was also taking an anthropology and a psychology course, and it was all about learning and about memory. And one day I was in the bookstore, and I don't know why this happened or what was going on, but I gravitated towards the education section and picked up a book about Maria Montessori, somebody I'd never heard of before, and it looked fascinating, and I read it, and it just kind of got me thinking, if I really like this, learning about this stuff, and I remembered what I really wanted to do when I was little. Thought that's probably the best place to learn about how people learn and everything, and so that's when I decided to go into teaching, and it was the best decision ever because it brought me back to what I knew I really, really wanted to do, which was teach science. And it's a lot of fun, and I think more than anything, being able to help other people learn, but getting to learn alongside them and do all that experimenting and exploring and discovering.